Hi! As you may have noticed, I changed up my background today because I'm not gonna lie, my bed is messy and I really don't feel like cleaning it up. But I do feel like doing a video, so here I am. Welcome to my Splash of Color series where I'm going to do a bunch of looks using many different colors, not at once. Someday I might be using a blue palette. One day I might be using a yellow palette. But I'm just going to mix and match and mix it up sometimes. I don't know what I'm doing. But I want to do something that's super colorful because I know a lot of people want to introduce color to their makeup routine in some way. But don't know exactly how to do it without looking like Mimi from Drew Carey. You remember Mimi, right? Exactly. So today I'm going to do a bright and beautiful blue. And I'm going to show you how to do it so that you don't look too crazy. Stay tuned. I'm not going to bore you with the eyebrow routine. So, bam! Eyebrows done. All right, looking good with a T. I made them a little more arched than normal. You notice that? Bet you didn't. Okay, my beautiful beauty astronauts. The first thing you're going to want to do is use, I'm sorry, that just was so random. The first thing you're going to want to do is find yourself a good eyeshadow primer. Now, you could also use a really light concealer to put on your eyeshadow, but primer is best. So, this is one I got as like a freebie from something. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's called Eye Primer, Base Portfolio. Oh, that's just it in French. Look at this cute mirror I got from Rihanna. She sent it to me directly because we're friends. So I'm just going to use a little bit because you don't need that much. And just rub it on your eyelid. This is essential if you have brown skin and want to make those bright colors pop. All right, so we got the eyeshadow base. So just put it all over my eyelid just like so. Nothing crazy to it. Now, when you're doing color, this is just my preference, okay? Don't think what I'm about to say is in some sort of makeup Bible. This is my personal preference. When I'm doing bright colors to go out into public, it's different than when I do bright colors when I'm at home. When I'm at home, I go all out. Like public, I will wear the bright colors, but I'll tone it down just a little bit. Not necessarily in the colors I use, but in the placement. So, what do I mean by that? Well, I'm about to tell you, you little impatient. Put it right here in between my crease and my lash line. I don't put the bright colors up here or my brow bone because to me, I feel like it's a little too much. This look today, I'm going to use one of my favorite, first of all, my favorite brands, one of my favorite brands, period. That's also with a T. But just one of my favorite palettes, which is the Blue Moon palette by ColourPop. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to start off with a dark blue. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on the edge of mine. Look how pretty that is. I think I'm going to do an ombre look because I'm going to use the middle color. Since I'm doing an ombre event, I want a transitional color because this right in here is going to be light. So I'm going to use this one. Again, don't want to go up too high. Just put that on in there. Pack it on in there. Look how pretty this is and pigmented. And blend. Don't forget to blend. When you blend, you go between both colors and you just lightly go over it so that you don't see where one begins and one ends. Next up, I'm going to go in with my flat-ish brush, and do the lightest color on the inside of my eyelid. In this case, it's like a whitish, frosty blue thingy brush. I'm not going to lie, I'm terrible when it comes to cleaning my brushes. It is a bad habit. Don't be like me. So I don't even know what's going to come out when I put this on, but I'm going to go for it. I'm not going to put any colors on there because I want to start to blend them on top. If I put a color, it's going to go up too high. So I'm just going to go in with a clean-ish brush and just make sure they're all blended at the top. And this is the part where you go in, edit as you see fit. If you want it to be a little dark over there, go on in. But the main point is don't start going up here. I don't like that, so don't do it. Now I'm going to add a wing liner and some lashes because, you know, I don't go nowhere without a wing. If you want to be a little extra, which I do, of course, you can go ahead and add a little white liner at the bottom. You know, I'm going in and add a little Bluetooth to the bottom, you know. All right, eyeshadow is done. And now to go on to the rest of my face.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
And that is it, folks. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. When you try this, let me know how it goes. Give me some feedback. Give me something and do it right now. Love you.